Here we go, 4th graders. What we're going to look at today is expanded form. I'm on the wrong slide. Here we go. Expanded form, or expanded notation, is a way of writing a number as the sum of the values of each digit. So what I want you to think about is like a slinky. So this slinky right here, this is like the number just as it is. This is it in expanded form. So it's like we took the slinky and we're pulling it apart to show what it's made up of. So for example, 356 in expanded form is really 300 plus 50 plus 6. It's like we took some arrow cards, split them apart, and wrote out what was there. And notice that we put a plus sign in between the numbers to show that we actually add those to make the original number. Here's another way of doing it with a 6-digit number. So this is 134,508. In expanded form, it's 100,000, so this 1 here is 100,000. This 3 is 30,000. This 4 is 4,000. 5 is 500. Notice there's 0 in the tens place, so we don't write anything. And then we write the 8. So expanded form or expanded notation means the same thing, and it means writing a number as the sum of the values of each digit. And again, think of it like that slinky. So this 356 is like the slinky right here. This would be 356. When we expand it, where it's 300 plus 50 plus 6, that's like the slinky. So this is like the slinky just pushed together. This is like the slinky when we slide it apart. Same thing right here.